The supplement industry is essentially the Wild West of the modern digital age. You click an ad promising the fountain of youth and immediately wonder if you're buying actual science or just expensive dust. Partiqlar is the brand currently standing in the spotlight. They make bold claims about slowing down the clock. They talk about things like cellular renewal and boosting your internal energy. It is natural to feel a bit of hesitation. We have all seen companies vanish overnight with our money. I decided to peel back the layers on this specific brand. Is it a legitimate operation or just another clever internet mirage? Looking at the data, it seems they're the real deal. This is not an outright scam. They have a very visible and consistent online presence. Their website provides deep dives into their manufacturing processes. That is usually a good sign. When you look at user feedback, the picture becomes clearer. Hundreds of people have posted their experiences on major review sites. A lot of these users report feeling a noticeable difference in their daily stamina. They talk about waking up with more clarity. They mention that their packages arrived on time. The company seems to lean heavily into third-party testing. This is a big deal in an industry where purity is often ignored. They show you exactly where their ingredients come from. They provide the science behind things like the compound found in red wineskins or the molecules that support your cellular fuel. But let's be honest, no company is perfect. Some customers have definitely had a rough time. There are reports of shipping delays that lasted weeks. Some people found the billing cycle confusing. A few even had trouble getting a human on the phone when things went wrong. Scan detection websites still flag them with a yellow light. This is mostly because the supplement world is so poorly regulated. There are no government watchdogs checking every single bottle. You have to be your own advocate. You have to do the legwork. Whether these longevity products actually deliver a life-changing result is a personal journey. Your biology is unique. What gives your neighbor a boost might just give you an upset stomach. It is a gamble of sorts. If you are tempted to try their offerings, do not dive into the deep end immediately. Start with a very small amount. Watch how your body reacts. Most importantly, have a real conversation with your doctor first. Do not just take the word of a sleek website. Your health is too valuable for guesswork. It looks like this brand is trying to do things the right way. They are transparent and focused on purity. They just haven't mastered the logistics for every single customer yet. Stay skeptical, but stay curious. The pursuit of a longer life is exciting, but it requires a level head and a lot of research. Before you swallow that first capsule, you should look for those third-party certificates yourself. Never take a brand's word at face value. Verification is the only currency that matters in the health space. Many people are looking for a magic pill to fix their fatigue. While this brand offers high-quality ingredients, no supplement can replace a solid foundation of sleep and nutrition. Use these tools as an addition, not a foundation. The customer service complaints are worth noting. If you are someone who hates waiting for a response, keep that in mind. Overall, they seem to be operating with integrity in a market that is often filled with shadows. Just keep your eyes open and your expectations grounded in reality. This journey into longevity is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time and choose your partners wisely. You deserve to know exactly what is going into your body every single day. Trust is earned, not given.